Hello guys, welcome all of you. So, three students walk into the courtroom. First one takes the pen from the judge. Second one grab the court's documents forcefully. And third one sell the case files that are entrusted to him. Who did the theft, misappropriation, breach of trust? So today, I am Sambhav Sharma and we are going to dissecting these property laws that even lawyers are confused in these. So let's start. So today we are going to learn about these five topics of property laws: criminal misappropriation, criminal trespass, mischief, criminal breach of trust, and theft. So let's start with theft. It is section 303 of BNS. What is the definition of this? So definition of this is dishonest taking of movable property without consent intending wrongful gain or loss. What does it wants to explain us? Let's listen to me. When we study about criminal law, we have to firstly saw the key ingredients कि किन चीजों से हम समझ पाएंगे कि ये it is talking about this theft or I'm sorry, not theft, this crime. So key ingredients: dishonest intention. So sorry for this. Dishonest intention, movable property taken without owner's consent, and property moved from owner's possession. What does these dishonest intention? I don't think so. I have to explain you what is the meaning of intention and dishonest intention. Movable property. Movable property means anything that is capable of moving. Like your bike is your movable property, your car is your movable property, but your land, it is not a movable property. Your gold is your movable property, obviously. And third, taken without owner's consent. Consent means the owner is not willing to give you, but you take him forcefully. Take the thing from him forcefully or without his consent or anything like that. Owner's consent means owners don't want to give you. Owner ने नहीं बोला है आपको कि ले जाओ, but you are taking that. Property moved from owner's possession. Possession means उसके पास हो. For an example, the house I am living in and making video from which. So this house possession is in my father's hand. What the possession means? किसके पास है ये चीज, किसके नाम पर है ये चीज, these things. So for an example, a jewelry store theft scenario है, a customer hides a diamond ring in their purse while pretending bros. Bros means like these types of things, and even do's like nothing happens. These types of things, nothing happens, and pretending to be nothing happening. So he or she is pretending bros. So is it a theft? Yes. Why? Dishonest intention. Customer having a dishonest intention because if he did not have a dishonest intention, why the here is word hides. If he or she hides anything, then it is showing very boldly that it is a dishonest intention. Movable property, obviously a ring can be carried. Taken without consent, obviously no purchase transaction, and he didn't even ask, he or she didn't even ask to the owner that can we take that. There was no consent and removed from owner's control. Yes, it was in owner's possession and now it was in the possession of a customer. So obviously it is a theft. So now next, criminal misappropriation. It is section 314 of BNS. What it tells about definition: forceful seizure of movable property through direct confrontation. So what are the key ingredients in this are exclusively movable property, violent or physical seizure, face-to-face confrontation, and no legal justification. What it means obviously movable property. Violent physical seizure means किसी को बहुत जबरदस्ती करना किसी के साथ, like that. Face to face confrontation means आमने सामने, like I am grabbing someone's this collar and like give me this thing, like these types of things. And no legal justification means legal नहीं है ये चीज, legal justification था ही नहीं इस चीज का. So for an example, loan shark seizure. What it a lender grabs a debtor motorcycle from their garage at gunpoint for unpaid debt. What it means, lender है, उसने क्या करा, जो डेप्टर था, जिसने डेप्ट लिया था, डेप्ट मीन्स लोन, एक टाइप ऑफ लोन जो कि हम अनऑफिशियली लेते हैं, टाइप ऑफ लोन लिया किससे, लेंडर से. फिर उसमें क्या हुआ, मोटरसाइकिल के लिए, तो उसने क्या किया, मोटरसाइकिल ली गैरेज से और गन पॉइंट करी अनपेड डेब्ट के लिए. तो ये मिसअप्रोप्रिएशन है या नहीं? मैनी ऑफ द पीपल थिंक्स दैट इट इज नॉट मिसअप्रोप्रिएशन बिकॉज क्योंकि उसने डेब्ट नहीं दिया तो वो क्यों, but it is because movable property, first of all, one ingredient. Forceful taking, yes. Gun threat plus physical removal, okay. Third, direct confrontation, victim is present during the seizure, okay. Illegality, no court order for, okay. When court orders, there was an court employee, anyone like Nazir, we told them, Nazir goes for that debt non-repayment or these types of things. Court officer, he goes for this. Now, criminal breach of trust. It is section 316 of BNS. What it tells about definition: dishonest misuse of property entrusted for a specific purpose. Now, first let us see key ingredients. Property movable or immovable. Both type of properties. Entrusted by victim for lawful purpose. Dishonest misuse by offender. Violation of trust terms. So I hope you are not able to understand all right, but with an example you will be able to. Property deed fraud. A lawyer sell a client's land entrusted for legal registration to fund their gambling debt. Now, why it is a crime? Now, why it is a criminal breach of trust? Immovable property, land, first thing. Entrusted for registration means registration क्या आएगी, अभी रजिस्टर नहीं हुई, but डिसऑनेस्ट मिसयूज, यस बिल्कुल डिसऑनेस्ट मिसयूज करा गया है प्रॉपर्टी का, अनऑथराइज सेल है, बिकॉज लॉयर्स डोंट हैव राइट टू सेल समवन्स प्रॉपर्टी. ब्रीच ऑफ fiduciary duty means it is a fraud, means trust terms you broke that. So I hope you understood. Dishonest misuse of property entrusted for a specific purpose. Now, mischief. It is a very big topic, by the way, having section 426 to 440 of BNS. BNS is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. I hope everyone knows what. Willfully destroying or damaging property to cause loss means someone is destroying others' property, public property, or anything like that. Now, key ingredients: intention damage means intention है. It is not like I have no intention or negligence नहीं है, एकदम से नहीं है. It is intention. Property value utility diminished means property जो थी, कोई भी चीज उसकी वैल्यू थी कोई ना कोई. Applies to public or private property. No direct confrontation needed. So, example, vandalism. Vandalism is very big topic, by the way. Many of people saw people doing vandalism in rallies or these types of things, like harming the public properties, harming someone's car, throwing stones, and these things are comes in vandalism. Scenarios: protesters spray paint and break window of public train. Now, what are these? Intentional damage. Yes, there is an intentional damage. Why are you spraying paint on them? Diminished value. Yes, repair cost होगी, जो भी होगी. I write 50,000. Public property target करी गई. No victim confrontation, and victim confront नहीं हुई. So all key ingredients are there. So this is mischief. Now, last, criminal trespass. What is it? Unlawful entering or staying on property with harmful intent. Now key ingredients: unauthorized entry or occupation. Property is immovable, land or structure. Intent to commit offense or intimidate. Remaining after possession and revoke. Means what it is? Means someone is entering in someone's property without his or her consent, will, or anything, within harmful intent, by killing, by anything like that. For an example, hostile occupation. Squatter breaks into a foreclosed house, change locks and refuse to leave. Unauthorized entry, yes, डोर को ब्लॉक, मतलब डोर को ब्रोक करा गया. इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी, यस, हाउस के अंदर घुसा है. इंटेंट टू ऑक्यूपाई इलीगली, यस, लीगली तो है ही नहीं. कंटिन्यू प्रेजेंस आफ्टर पुलिस ऑर्डर. प्रेजेंस भी है पुलिस के ऑर्डर के बाद, मतलब अगर बोला गया है कि प्लीज लीव दिस, बट देन ऑल्सो देयर इज अ रिफ्यूज टू लीव. आफ्टर सेइंग लीव ही रिफ्यूज. So what it is? Criminal trespass. Someone is coming in your property with harmful intent, without and with unlawful entry. Now this is a comparative chart for quick revision. You can take a screenshot or see this. So आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? हमने 5 चीजें पढ़ी. पहली पढ़ी थेफ्ट, 303 BNS. इसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा? चोरी करना, बेसिकली इन नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज. नाउ क्रिमिनल मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन. इसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा? फोर्सफुल सीजर करना मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी का थ्रू डायरेक्ट कन्फ्रंटेशन, गर्दन पकड़ के काम करना. एंड नाउ क्रिमिनल ब्रीच ऑफ ट्रस्ट, यानी ट्रस्ट तोड़ना, जैसे उस लॉयर ने तोड़ा था. डिसऑनेस्ट मिसयूज ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी एंड फॉर द स्पेसिफिक पर्पस. फोर्थ, मिसचीफ. मिसचीफ मीन्स willful destroying or damaging property to cause loss. For an example, vandalism. Now criminal trespass. What is unlawful entry in someone's property with harmful intent. So this is all about today. If you like the video, please click the subscribe button and like button. Thank you so much.